screen.
Allie, God.
The same thing that everything else does, just touch it. Just touch the screen. No, look. Okay, now touch the screen horizontally.
Okay. I've seen this stupid Sierra Mist.
Take the picture!
Hey, it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance.
Take it!
Hey.
You're videoing it, aren't you? Ow!
Well, it like stuck to my head.
Yeah. You can do it.
I just never knew what I wanted.
Let me see it. Allie, let me see it.
He's trying to crush it.
I want to do it.
Do you have to squeeze?
Watch, I bet I could do it.
I don't know. Isn't that how they do it?
Allie, you suck. Ow!
Come on, Allison. Let's not get violent.